Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and making the enclosure cut now. Use a template sized to the woofer diameter and cut the hole cleanly. This ensures an airtight flange seal. Once done, position the Bluetooth amp module where heat can escape and screws won't contact wiring. Secure the driver with screws and a thin gasket. It prevents air leaks and preserves bass. Make sure you route speaker and power wires separately to reduce noise, and leave space to access gain and pairing buttons. Now you wire and acoustically tune the box. Solder speaker leads to the amp and woofer. Observe polarity so phase is correct. Then cover joints with heat shrink. Add internal damping like polyfill or foam to absorb resonances, and seal internal seams with silicone to avoid box leaks that kill low end. If your design uses a port, check port length against the target frequency. Adjust length to tune bass. Make sure the amp ground is common with the power supply to prevent. Finish by powering and pairing the speaker. You pair as the amp instructs, then play a low-frequency sweep to hear response. Adjust amp gain and EQ for clear bass without distortion. If bass is boomy, add more damping or shorten the port incrementally. If you get noise or no sound, first confirm driver polarity, then recheck solder joints and enclosure seals. Air leaks and reversed wiring are the usual culprits. One key troubleshooting tip: measure supply voltage under load. Dropping below specification causes distortion and dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.